Alright, so salaro na tayo sa Fix Salon for fixing my hair. Yan, bago-booking tayo ngayon. And as it is, sa lahat ng viewers natin, and first time mo tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan doon. And sa lahat mo gusto magpa-coach sa atin, and if you want to advertise your business, and if you want a marketing plan for your business, and message ka lang, and if you need a speaker for a seminar, for students, teachers, parents, and companies team building. Yan. And last na lang, if you want to enroll to my master class, if you want to achieve something new in your life, or yung long time dream mo, ay tinitawan mo na pero you want to revive it, I can help. Okay, message ka na. This is my number, 0939-525-1411 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi. Okay, alright, so the right money framework for your income, di ba? So, sabi ko nga, lahat ng bagay dapat nilalagyan natin ng plan, ng framework, okay? Pati yung income natin dapat may framework. Kasi pag walang framework yan, though I don't like it like budgeting, it's not like that. It's a framework. Okay, it's a model na dapat natin gawin. So, pag wala niyan, I think kahit gaano ka hardworking, everything will be wasted kasi wala kang model na sinusunod, wala kang framework, and you cannot maximize your earnings. Okay, so one of the reasons bakit ako nagsasuggest ng framework for your money is to maximize your earnings, because the first part of the framework is you need to maximize your earning capacity. Yan ang framework. Yan ang model. Okay? So, i-maximize mo, magkano ba talaga yung pwede mong kitain in a month? Alright. So, unless you are maximizing it, hindi tayo lalago financially. Okay? Kung nakatuon ka lang dyan sa you are getting paid per hour, per day. So, hindi tayo magtatagumpay financially. I'm telling you that. Right? So, you need to maximize your capacity to earn money. When I was promoted as the Dean of Academic Affairs sa school, sa Asia Pacific College of Advanced Studies, so definitely, nagtaas ang sweldo natin. So, akala ko yun na yung maximum capacity or maximum na pwede kong kitain in a month. So, hindi pala. I got 2 years ago, when I started my journey, after 6 months, so nadagdagan ng times 2, times 3, times 4, and ngayon up to times 5. From that salary na mataas na po yun pero if you'll be working in Bataan to get that amount as a monthly na nakukuha ko, mataas na po yun dito sa Bataan. Okay? Pero so pag inisip mo, pwede na ako dito, pwede ka na mabuhay ng ayon sa standard ng Bataan. Pero, okay, so, pero I was surprised na pwede ko pala siya lumaki up to 5 times. 5 times na what I'm receiving. Okay? So, yun yung framework, yun yung unang model natin. Take a look at what you are receiving and you ask yourself, eto na ba talaga yung maximum? Baka hindi pa. If you are earning 20,000, hindi pa yan ang maximum. Okay? If you are earning 30,000, hindi pa yan. So, you got to explore. Explore things. Okay? So, sabi nga ni Boss Sanchez, yung formula ni Boss Sanchez, 110, 20, 70. Ang 100 niya, ito yung 100% na pwede mong kitain. So, kung nasa isang source of income ka lang, hindi pa yan 100%. Alright? So, ano ba yung ginawa mo doon? Di bakit nag-times 5 na sweldo mo? What I did is, I explored all the opportunities na meron dito sa Bataan. Hindi pa ako sa Bataan. Tinignan ko. Then, I matched that opportunity to my skills. So, kailangan ng speaker dito sa Bataan. So, yun. So, I honed my skill as a speaker. Right? So, then I engaged into e-commerce. So, yan, nag-YouTube tayo. Yan na nagsimula ang pagbabago sa buhay natin. Then, naging coach and other things, okay? So, ang unang part ng framework natin is to develop the maximum capacity na pwede mong, that you can earn. Actually, wala namang maximum capacity. Pag tinignan mo, ako, I'm earning this amount times 5 ng sweldo ko. Meron pa akong, may chance pa na lumaki siya. With what I'm doing right now, with what I'm exploring and launching. So, marami pa tayo ilo-launch. I'm so excited with this new thing na gagawin natin with my business partner, Mang Joyce. Marami pa kami gagawin, di ba? So, in fact, ngayon, ang seminar ko, this August 13, nasa Makati kami sa Australian company na mga managers. So, I've been to a lot of big companies, big universities, school, the seminar. So, it's just like exploring what you can do, exploring what's outside you and matching it with your skills, right? Maximum earnings na kayo. Okay? Ask yourself, magkano ba talaga? Okay? Actually, wala siyang limit, alright? Second part ng framework is, ito na, I have here 1, 2, 3, yan, 4 things. Part ng framework. Di ko kasi makipay na sulat ko dahil sobrang sura eh. Sabi ko nga, givens are given. Wala tayong magagawa dito. So, susulat natin na hindi masyadong kagandahan. Okay? So, okay. The second part ng framework natin, ng column kasi, first column natin, is maximizing your earnings. Sulat ko dyan kung anong pwede mong pagkakitaan. Diba? Real estate ba? E-commerce business? Business partnership? Using your skill? Teaching people? So, yun yung mga options mo. Right? So, sa second part naman ng framework is ito. Dapat ito yung gawin natin model para sigurado monthly meron kang investment, sigurado monthly meron for your retirement, and sigurado monthly meron kang for your happiness. Okay? Kasi pag na-maximize mo pwede mong kitain, lahat na sasabihin ko sa iyo ngayon, kaya mong bayaran. Okay? So, number 1, automate your investment. Yun talaga siya. Para makapag-invest, i-automate it. For example, sa salary mo, magbili ka ng pagkirasong lupa. That's real estate investment. So, installment siya. Like, ginamit siya sa pag-ibig, mura lang, di ba? Sa any bank. Okay, so salary deduction siya. That's automatic na babawasan ka na, let's say, 3,000. Napupunta naman siya sa investment. Di ba nga, may nag-share sa atin, taga-Nueva Ecija. Ang kanyang investment, real estate, after 3 years, kumita siya ng 50,000. Not bad. Additional income na 50,000 per year is not bad as a teacher, right? So, you automate that, okay? Or kung ano, nag-ipon ka ng pag-invest mo, automate your savings muna. Don't say mo kayo mag-savings. Hindi, iniipon mo na para pag-invest, okay? So, just like what I'm doing sa office, automatic po kinukuha na nila ako nakiusap na this amount maiwan sa kanila so that I can spend that for bigger investment. Okay, so nakakuha na ako dati last year, so nilagay ko naman siya sa ko. Okay, so it's automatic. So sabihin, pagka-receive ko ng sweldo ko, nabawas na po yung pang-invest ko. That's how it works, right? So automate your investment, okay? And second, ayan, para sigurado na may investment for retirement or for your future business, fixed investment. Naka-fix. Kumuha ka ng parang kahit na mangyari, parang siyang bill na babayaran mo siya. Like in my case, I have 1, 2, 3, 3 investment or na naka-fix siya. So, I have my Kaiser health insurance na may kasama investment like from IMG. Yan, so meron akong binabayaran certain amount. Then I also have my fixed monthly sa Manulife. Then yung Sun Life ko, Phoenix ko na rin na nagbibigay na rin ako certain amount. Diba? So, something like that. So, i-fix mo siya na parang you are obligated. So, parang ano ka, kailangan talagang bayaran mo siya whatever happens, kahit ano mangyari. Diba? So, you can get IMG mutual funds and Kaiser. So, pwede yan. For example, 9,000 a month. Pwede, diba? Sun Life 3-in-1, pwede ka rin kumuha. Or any other investment na pwede mo i-fix with certain amount of email na ilalaan para doon. So in that case, okay, kahit na sabi ko, maubos ang pera mo, nauna na yung investment mo, na-automate na siya, naka-fix siya, obligado kong bayaran. Kasi pag hindi siya naka-fix, hindi ko obligado kong bayaran. Ala, di ba? Wala lang, pag hinintay mo magka-free money ka, hindi ba? Wala. Walang mangyayari sa'yo, hindi ka mag-invest. Kasi after few years ng pag-upload mo, few years ng trabaho mo, pagkita mo, wala ka naman pala, diba? Wala ka naman pala na-invest, diba? Okay, number 3. Number 3, part ng framework ng pera mo is, of course, for your expenses, huwag kalimutan, okay? So, alam naman natin yan. And number 4, last, part ng framework is your happiness. Huwag mo kalimutan yan. Di ba sabi ko nga, meron tayong dalawang duties sa buhay. One to become successful and the other one is for self-fulfillment of happiness. So you travel, you buy things that you want, you enjoy Starbucks. Dito tayo sa Starbucks ngayon. So enjoy things that around you. Diba? Kasi hindi naman natin alam kailan ba matatapos ang lifetime natin. Diba? So mahalaga, you are working so hard. Okay? Nakukompensate naman yun ng happiness mo. Diba? Okay. Alright, so yan yung the right money framework for your income. So yan ang dapat na ginagawa mo sa income mo. Dok, hindi ko alam kung paano. I can help you. Pwede kitang tulungan paano ka magkaroon ng multiple sources of income. Pwede rin kitang tulungan how to do it. Makapag-invest ka while you are working or while you are having your small business. Okay? And by the way, dito ko lang announcement natin. Sa lahat ng gustong magpagawa ng marketing plan sa kanilang business, message lang kayo sa akin. I have my team para help you. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at malalaling buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go.